High above the valley, a narrow suspension bridge stretches across the mountains, a delicate path connecting two worlds of breathtaking natural beauty. Surrounded by towering peaks and endless green valleys, the bridge sways gently with the mountain breeze, standing as a quiet symbol of adventure and discovery. From above, the landscape unfolds like a masterpiece. Rolling hills, winding rivers, and layers of mountains fading into the distant horizon. Each step across the bridge offers a new perspective, a moment suspended between sky and earth. Far below, nature moves in its own rhythm. The whisper of the wind, the distant sound of flowing water, and the peaceful silence of the mountains. In this serene setting, the bridge becomes more than just a crossing, it becomes a journey through one of nature's most beautiful landscapes. A place where courage meets wonder, and every view feels truly unforgettable.